Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting by doing the one reliable connection, wired USB. First, attach a USB-C to USB-C cable, or use a USB-C OTG adapter if your phone needs one, directly from the Stadia controller to the phone. Once connected, unlock the phone and open the Stadia app. The app looks for a wired controller immediately. While you plug in, make sure the controller has at least some charge so the phone can enumerate the device. This avoids slow detection or intermittent power drops. Once the physical connection is made, the phone will request USB access. Accept that prompt so the app can use the controller. Then go to the Stadia app's controller or input settings and verify it shows a wired Stadia controller. If it lists a generic USB gamepad, that is fine. Now test sticks and buttons in the app's input test or in a quick menu. This confirms the phone mapped the controller correctly. If mapping looks off, close and reopen the app to force a re-enumeration. Now launch your game or stream and verify responsiveness under load. Adjust dead zones or sensitivity in the app if buttons feel off. If the controller isn't detected, first swap cables. Many charge-only cables won't carry data, and retry. Make sure OTG is enabled in phone settings and that no other USB peripherals are competing. As a final quick fix, hold the Stadia button to reset the controller and reconnect. If problems persist, test the setup on a second phone to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.